Hello guys, welcome to another unboxing video. Today I have the iPhone SE. This is the version from 2016. It's a 32 gigabytes phone from Apple. It's based on the design of the iPhone 5 and the iPhone 5S, but it has very good newer hardware. I'm gonna show you the phone. Here it is. So you can see it's a bit of legacy. It has the old fingerprint sensor, the front-facing camera, a LED flash, but the design is really slick. It's a very nice phone. Here's the slot to put in your SIM card. It has lightning and still the old audio jack, if you can see it. We have the lock button to mute it and unmute it, and the audio buttons. Okay, so I'm gonna put this gem here. Very nice. So what do we have? We have this little plastic piece where the phone is lying, no problem. And here, aha, we have this booklet. It says designed by Apple in California. Voila. This is a special thing. If you open this, here is a little tool that you can take like this, and it's made to remove the SIM card from the side. So you have this little hole on the side. You can just push this in, and here you can see there is a SIM card. So I'm gonna put this back. Voila. So if you're looking for this little tool, it's just hidden in the booklet. So I'm gonna place this back. Voila. You can see also on the drawing it's used to open the SIM card slot. I'm gonna open this. What do we have here? We have the iPhone SE in different languages, some information about the phone, and of course the obligatory Apple stickers. Everyone has 1,000 of these, nobody uses them, but they still deliver them, so okay. Voila, I'm going to close this again like this. And then we have the box, and what's in it. Haha, we have the earphones with a wire in a very nice little box. So you can open it like this. It has just a 3.5mm audio jack, and you can just untangle the cords a bit. And here you have the remote, and then the ears itself, of course. The remote is very handy. I use it to make calls mostly, not that much to listen music. And yeah, they still survive, so those are good headphones. Of course, here's the USB charger. It's not a lot of watts. It's can I read this? Voila. And then we have the lightning to USB cable, of course. You can plug it in here to charge a phone. And the other end goes into the iPhone itself, to charge it or to connect it to your computer. Put like this. We're gonna see if it still works. I'm gonna start it. Yes, it does a really slick. Still booting. It's a bit older. Here we are. I'm gonna enter the passcode. And bam, we're in. It's still pretty quick, so it's still a good phone. So I would still use it, but I got an iPhone 11 now, so this goes back into the box. Also, I have this. It's the official iPhone SE leather case from Apple. It's a very nice one. If you open, you can just slide it up. Don't know if you can see it, but there's an Apple logo embraced here. I'm gonna see if I can now you can see it. Very nice. It's a nice case. So I'm gonna put the iPhone inside like this. It fits like a glove. Very nice. So guys, that's it. Hope you like this unboxing video. If you like some more, please consider subscribing to the channel. In the meantime, have a nice day.